subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I think the girls are cool. Like I am friends with all of the women outside the show, but I would like never contact a man from the show first because they are like full of egos. Even though I talked to
Splitsvilla contestant Avantika recently got evicted from the show, and here we chatted with her about the same. Take a look. Avantika, how was your journey?
my journey was like very full. It actually was filled with ups and downs, and I don't know. Like one time I was like very happy with it, and the other time everything like changed. It was like changing in seconds, and it was full of like twists and turns. Not to be dramatic, but it really was. So it was very hot and cold.
Can you tell us everything that happened in the Doom?
Basically, you know what happened in Dumping's dome session was, I was about to vote for Nikita and Sam first, but then Ranvijay said like, Avantika, you'll have some chance of staying in the game if someone doesn't become an idol match. And I was like, okay, then Trevon and Archie might not become one. So मैंने इसीलिए उन लोगों के लिए vote कर दिया, which backfired मुझ पर ही क्योंकि they were like, preaching loyalty is royalty and you are not loyal to your friends. And one time I try to save myself, you question me, but all the times I've supported you, you never like appreciated none of it. Like I was legit ready to leave the Gold Villa because you guys did not want Nikhil to be there. I was like ready to underperform for Nikhil because you guys like wanted Nikhil to be out, but I didn't because apparently even if I would like admit it right now, I did underperform that day, but Nikita really sucked that day. So yeah, I was like so confused. Like, why would you like do that? But it was like, okay, bro, you just like it's just a show, and you are all gonna regret it later, which apparently they did.
The opposite team always accused you of being a follower and not speaking your mind.
Yeah. See, honestly, no one is there to support anyone. Everyone is there for themselves. सब लोग बहुत selfish खेलते हैं और everyone was playing very selfish from day one. But I think I did not play very selfish until unless the last dome. जो last dome था वहाँ पे मैंने कोशिश करी कि मैं अपने लिए खेलूँ पहली बार और that's where I like got dumped and everyone was like, oh, you snitched on us, that's why you got dumped, तुम लोगों ने vote नहीं किया, loyalty is royalty, preaching all that stuff. What about the stuff when I saved Trevon from the dome? What about the time when I saved Nikita? What about the time like I was like vocal for your Cat, like Shivam like telling Cat something and I was like a supporting Cat? Like you cannot say that to a woman. What about all those times? Like one time I need you and you're not there. Like wow.
We saw contestants going live together, chilling together. Didn't see you hanging out much. Why so?
I'm actually in touch with Arushi. I actually talk to Arushi like every day. We talk a lot about a lot of stuff which isn't like about the show because we're like so over it at this time. And I also talk to Palak, Bhumika, Kat sometimes. Like not a lot, but sometimes I do talk to her. Baki, I'm not like in touch with anyone. And Aditi also I'm in touch with. And recently Sapna also called me. So I think the girls are cool. Like I am friends with all of the women outside the show, but I would like never contact a man from the show first because they are like full of egos. Even though I talked to Nikhil, Kevin, and Samarthya, that's it from the men.
One takeaway from the show.
I think it was when Nikita was like, I can like easily defeat Avantika over Sapna, and apparently I underperformed in that task, and you still could not like defeat me. So that was like I think my moment. But I lost a task to her, which was like her moment. So we like on equal.
Gary never reciprocated similar feelings towards you. Do you think you should have maintained more self-respect?
Obviously, like I really disrespected myself a lot of times. I cannot like go out and say like Gary disrespected me. उसने मेरे बारे में ऐसा बोला, उसने वैसा किया. I could never that. He never disrespected me. I was the one who disrespected myself. Every time he had something to say about me and every time I went back to him, that's when I disrespected myself. It's not even his fault because I gave him the power to say all that shit. Because apparently he could have like said that stuff to Kat, to Sapna, but he never did because they were like, they never gave him the power to say something like that. But I was like, okay, it's fine, you hate me, but you just I'll just give you 2 or 3 days, तुम अपने opinions में एक बार में change कर लो और फिर तुम्हारे पास जब कोई भी फिल्म में बचेगा नहीं perform करने का, कोई option नहीं होगा और तुम्हें मजबूरी में मेरे साथ perform करना पड़ेगा, मैं तुम्हें फिर भी हाँ कर दूंगी. That's like wow, Avantika, like how could you just do that to yourself? So it was like very shitty of me to do all of that shit. So yeah, I really disrespected myself a lot in the entire journey, until he was like nice to me in the last dome. That was the first and the last time he was nice to me. So
How is the equation with him now?
no, I am not in touch with him. He never contacted me, and I never wanted to be the first one to contact him, because apparently I am the only one who's like trying to fix things in the show, like let's try it this way. And if he's like not even like, the least he could do was like text me and say thank me for a lot of shit I've done for him in the show. But if he still has his ego before all of that stuff, it's fine, you do you, and I'm not gonna bother you.
Why did you take up the show, for love or fame?
I mean, I never did it for. I obviously, when I saw when I used to see Sitsla, I legit thought, people fall in love, they like make a connection outside, and quarantine was so. I mean, boring and plain. And when I got to know, like, they liked my clip, the audition clip I sent, and they want me to be in the show, I was very, very excited. And I was like, how cool is it? Like, I could be among amazing people. I could like make amazing friends, amazing relationships. I might even find some dude I like or not. We'll just see where it leads. And I was full of hopes, and I mean, I legit was like a dumb fuck. I was really full of hopes. I might just, find this, that. And I just like found me letting people walk over me the entire time. And I don't know, but fame was never a reason to do splits. Obviously, it comes with the entire show. I did not like. I was so like, overwhelmed when these people were like started texting it, and I was like, oh my god, I did not know like this show like makes people so famous and shit like that. But it's cool. It's just like it's helping me with my YouTube. So even if like the people walked over me on the show, it's like now I have an audience and I can like show my content to them. So fuck you all. I got my content. I don't care if you did me wrong. Karma is always gonna come back at your faces. So yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Avantika. If you did, do comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums, addiction at its best. Ashima Chavda, India Forums, Mumbai.